Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Sanjian Tarot. For this unboxing video I have Luminous Flow Tarot by Ethony Dawn. I got this from a Kickstarter that ranged from August 8, 2024 to September 10, 2024, and I received my deck on March 8, 2026. Yes, those dates are accurate. The tier I pledged for was called the Early Bird Complete Collection. And that collection also included the Money Magic Manifestation decks, which are in a separate unboxing video. So Ethony Dawn also did Awakened Soul Oracle, Cosmic Wisdom Tarot, Modern Goddess Oracle, Muses of Tarot, and Penumbra Tarot. Right, just checking on the condition. Looks like I got a little bit of a, let's see, compressed corner here. I don't know if you can be able to see it, but right here, you could see a distinct compression in the corner. Come on. Yeah. I mean, even though they were boxed well, the decks appeared to be boxed well when I received it, wrapped in bubble wrap and everything. I guess, yeah, something like this just can't be helped. That's too bad because this looks like a nice box here. All right. Okay, the box type is magnetic closure. Okay. Guess this would be a clamshell type of magnetic closure. Okay, so, ooh, that's a pretty thick looking guidebook. All right. Okay. And all right. Ooh. Okay. It looks like a matte edging for the deck. Oh, and here's inside of the box. All right, and yeah, similar designs on the sides. Ooh, oh geez, is that no, okay. All right, and here's the back. That looks nice. Yeah, I think this was intended, the foil stamping on the back. All right, now I believe there are only 78 cards for this deck. Okay. So let's see if I could pull this off. Ooh. Okay. This would be a better way to view. Okay. Yeah. Just hope the focus would stay focused here. All right. So all the artwork is hand-drawn, fully illustrated, and no AI. The size of the cards are 70 millimeters by 120 millimeters. And the GSM is 350. I have no idea what the texture is. Couldn't find that information on the campaign page. But it is supposed to have a matte finish in terms of finish. I like the brushstroke look in the background. I don't think watercolor was used. I think this was hand drawn this way. Oh, that looks really nice. 9 of Pentacles. Ooh. Wow. Good Lord. It's interesting. All the cups are filled in the Four of Cups. I thought it would be, well, yeah, maybe it would be all filled. Okay. Oh, this one is probably confusing it for this. Yeah, Five of Cups. Okay. Right next is a shuffle test. Actually, I noticed on the back of the cards, maybe it's, I don't know, there was something about the wings. It's like that for all of them, but I don't know if I'll be able to show you, but it looks like here on like this top wing, it doesn't look like it got foiled properly. And then here, same for here. I don't know if you can tell, like not the entire wing didn't get foiled properly here and here. But I think on the other butterflies, I think the foil stamping was okay. I don't know. It's like that for all the cards, so I don't know if it's supposed to look like that. Oh well. All right, shuffle test. And these are 350, so they're going to be, I wonder why it's, all right. Ooh, yeah, that feels thick. Ooh, okay. Yeah, I don't think I could do that again. See if I could side riffle it. Maybe that would be better. Okay, kind of clumpy. Well, I think all my side riffles always come out clumpy. I don't know how to fix that. All right, overhand shuffle. I'm getting that clumpiness. Must be the matte finish making them a little bit sticky. I mean, or am I just not overhand shuffling? Good. Well, it seems to be fine. Yeah. Let me try that regular riffle shuffle again. I'm scared of bending the card. I bent a card recently and I was not happy. Okay. Oof, okay. Yeah, it's fine. I guess it's just thick. 350 GSM, so yeah, that would definitely be on the thick side. All right. Now the guidebook, yeah, it's kind of thick because wow, and it's supposed to be color, full color. Okay, yeah, looks like it's full color. Ooh, okay, yeah, the layout is nice. I mean, it's got, let's see, yeah, all the cards, yeah, they've got their own 2 pages. Each card has their own 2 pages, so, which means, ooh, it's a good 100 and, let's see, it goes up to 176. Okay. Oh, it's got a picture of Ethony, so that's Ethony Dawn right here. And then this is the artist, the illustrator. I don't know how to pronounce her name. Beáta? Beáta? Beáta. I keep repeating it as if I'm going to suddenly know how to pronounce it. There we go. So Ethony Dawn, and then Beáta Sápi. Okay. So yeah, each card that's shown here in the guidebook, yeah, they have They even like post the image reversed and upright. So it's got, yeah, upright reversed, keywords and the meanings, and a description. Let's go to the Queen of Swords here since I have it out. Because it looks like the guidebook is explaining the image here. So let's see, here we go. A regal figure sits on a throne high in the heavens with rainbows at her feet. An owl, a symbol of her wisdom, looks forward while she looks at the sword, an instrument of discernment. Sorry, I can't stay steady. Yeah. Okay, yeah, that's a full explanation there of the image. And then there's a quote. Oh, it's an affirmation. I speak the truth with clarity and compassion and allow the flow of universal wisdom to be with me always. Ooh. That's neat. An affirmation with each card. With each card! So there's like 78 affirmations here. Damn. I wish I could do that. All right. Okay, but yeah, it does explain. Yeah, here we go. Like upright, keywords, meaning, and then reverse. It's even got a picture of the card in the reverse. So yeah, this is nice. This is a nice guidebook. I know it seems kind of thick, probably because it's got like 2 pages per card, but it's got a nice, easy and like compressed explanation. So not too much text, but just enough to give an explanation of the card, which is really nice. Yeah, I like this book. I like the way this layout is too. Like an explanation of the image, it's got a nice little affirmation, and then card meanings for both upright and reversed with colored pictures. Yeah, that's pretty good. Yeah. So there were stretch goals, but they were actually all related to the Money Magic Manifestation decks. And there were add-ons, which would have been extra copies of this deck, and also a sticker book, which was included as part of the tier, the complete collection tier that I pledged. So I don't know if I would call it a book. So, stickers. Oh, these feel thick. Well, the envelope feels thick too. Holy wow. Okay, am I doing okay? All right. Oh, okay, maybe it's right here. Ooh, look at this. Like, these are all individual stickers of the suits. That's an individual sticker to peel off. The cup, the individual pentacle, and the sword and wand. Those are, you could probably see it. And then I think this is the infinity symbol there. I think is the back of not that back of the. Why do I think it's the back of the deck? It's in the box design, and then yeah, I guess the stickers of. Oh, okay. Now that I look at these, okay, these are stickers of the cards of the deck, and let's see, they include the Money Magic Manifestation deck too. Ooh. Let's see. So, yeah. Wait. Okay, I'm just checking to see if it actually has all 78 stickers. Ace, Pentacles, 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 Pentacles. Yeah. And then swords, wands, Oh, okay. Here's the cups. All right, they do have it. So, yeah, all of it. So one sticker books, and these are the magic, money magic manifestation. Okay, so yeah, I think these are meant to be journal stickers. So if you do a journal, you do your own self readings, and you keep a journal, then I think you can use these stickers. If you use the deck to read with, you use these stickers, and yeah, these are exactly like the deck. So yeah, I'm realizing I could zoom in, right? Rather than hold this up to the camera, but yeah, okay. And then these are the money magic pits, the other deck. All right. Yeah, and yeah, the other one is more of an oracle deck because they've got, like, I guess some kind of like affirmation or phrase included. So yeah, this is nice. Aw, I should have gotten more than one maybe, because this is neat. And these are too, like little single stickers of every suit. Oops. All right, so yeah, I really like the illustrations of this deck. So I'm kind of hoping that maybe one day Ethony would actually make mini versions, because she actually did make mini versions of the money magic manifestation. But yeah, that's in another video. Yeah, I think this is a great. It's hefty. I mean, it's 350G. The shuffle well, nice design. I like this blue. I like the matte blue edging here. So very smooth to me. You know, not too shiny. Yeah, the back is lovely. It's just these, I don't know, is that supposed to be that way? Like a part of the wing here and the part of the wing here didn't get properly foiled. I mean, it's like that for, I don't know, it's like that for all the cards. So maybe, I don't know why I'm complaining about that. I don't know, it looks, I don't know, it just looks like there was a slight mistake or like a misprint, like not having the tips of here with the gold with the foil stamping. Same here at the bottom, it doesn't, there's no, it's like they missed the tips of these wings. I don't know if it's supposed to look like that, or to me it looks like it's been missed. Well, anyway, all right, so these are available for purchase at the creator's website. So at Ethony Dawn's website, this deck is available. Link is in the description. All right. Yeah, okay. All right, that's the end of this unboxing. I hope you got something out of it, as well as my brief first impressions of Luminous Flow Tarot. See you in the next video.